南岛民族以独木舟航行在太平洋上。那么在上个礼拜为您报道过，夏威夷的2艘双尾大帆船从夏威夷航行到大溪地，这是为期4年的世界航程计划里面的第1段。而这个要横跨南太平洋26个国家的计划，要恢复祖先的智慧，就是要将传统夏威夷航海的时候观测星象的知识，还有独木舟的文化，也直接运用在这一次的航程里面。
夏威夷波利尼西亚航海学院横跨26国的世界航程，已经在5月底展开。这趟航程运用自然资源以及传统智慧，要传达的重要讯息之一，就是要航向永续的未来。在传统的夏威夷 Va'a， 也就是独木舟上面，一定会有画面上所看到的，大家同心协力绑在船上的 Ki'i。这艘是 Hokulea 号，右舷上绑的是男性，左舷上绑的是女性。这样的木雕人偶也是古老夏威夷独木舟文化很重要的部分。
Ki'i means picture. Photographs you take along. If you call about ancestors, you need to have some of them come along and bear witness. They are going to be in the other dimension. They are going to sail in the fluid place called the sea. Here is the place of Kane, and that is the place of Kanaloa. So it is an effigy of this generation taking hold of an ancient murmur.
当 Va'a 独木舟以及船员航向浩瀚大海时， Ki'i 也一再提醒船员关于过去、关于历史以及这趟世界航程的重要意义之一，就是要回复被遗忘的知识。
The male is about people who lost their byways. So that Ki'i is a lost person. Notice he's blind? Except in his ancient murmur, he remembers the true course. So all he does is trust, pray, and reach and take hold of a star.
一如这位木雕师所说的，男性 Ki'i 所代表的是迷途的人，但是 Hokulea 号的航行就证明了是可以透过传统的导航智慧找到方向。
We found our way. Us finding the way affirms that it can be done. There's no tradition of a female carving on a canoe. Why did that? Because they needed one from the other side of the veil to bear witness if we are courageous, if we are correct, if we are pono.
Ki'i 也为 Va'a 和船员指引方向，并且提供保护。要能够在海上确切知道航行的方向，就需要仰赖祖先的智慧，跟随星星来导航，传承祖先的智慧。最直接的体现就是运用传统的星象罗盘辨认，指引方向。
The star compass is amazingly an ingenious tool. Even though you would say that they don't know mathematics, when you do geometrically start to understand how this thing works, it's a mathematical kind of ingenious way of seeing the world.
Nainoa Thompson 是资深并且受到神圣仪式 PAO 所认可的航海家。PAO 是流传在许多太平洋岛国的古老仪式，在这个仪式上受到认可的人，才能称为是真正的航海家。在正式出航以前，让年轻船员学会使用星象罗盘是非常重要的课题。
So say you imagine if you're looking at a star compass that's theoretical on a piece of paper, like you're a satellite looking down. It's still 360-degree circle divided into 32 so-called even houses, star houses, which comes out to 11.25 degrees.
每一颗星星都有自己的名字，并且对照方位。
North is Akau, and then south is Hema, and then east is Hikina, and then Komohana. So you create the quadrants by those 4 star houses, and then it evenly places northeast, northwest, southwest, southeast.
每一个象限里面会有7个星宫，乘以4就是28个星宫，再加上东南西北4个基本方位， 就会有32个星宫，也就是方位。理解这套系统之后，就可以出海。
In reality, when you're at sea, that star compass is your ocean horizon.
星象罗盘是传统航海导航不可或缺 ，Key 则提供了稳定的力量，而这些传统智慧都是让虎库雷亚号可以迈向世界航程的重要元素。夏威夷原住民族人出海，年轻人传承南岛民族祖先航海的技术，带着勇气继续航向永续的未来。记者杜希、林柏宏整理报道。